How to use Salesforce Platform, a beginner's tutorial to Salesforce. Hello guys, and welcome to our deep dive into Salesforce, the world's leading CRM platform. I'm going to be your guide today, and we're going to unravel the power and potential of Salesforce. So whether you're a beginner or an existing user seeking to enhance your skill, this tutorial is crafted specifically for you. Let's get on to the video. What is Salesforce? Salesforce, at its core, is this cloud based CRM platform, but it's so much more than that. It revolutionizes how companies interact with customers by integrating sales, customer services, marketing, and more into a single unified interface. So imagine having like a 360-degree view of your customers, which is accessible from anywhere. That's what Salesforce does for you. So it's not just managing relationships, but it's more so about building those relationships and nurturing them. Now, how do you get started with Salesforce platform? You're going to go onto salesforce.com and let's get a view of how the website looks like. They offer us a demo right here showing that this is a CRM platform. It's taking business in India to the next level. Let's move forward downwards here. What can these products do for you? You can jump or quick kickstart your small businesses, run up Sales Cloud, have Service Cloud, and also have a Marketing Cloud. They also have this dedicated helpline right here where you can just chat with one of their sales agents or ring them up if you're facing any problems. There's so many different products they offer apart from these as well. Now, they offer a free trial, which is what we're going to sign up for. You click on try for free right here, and it basically asks you to enter up your basic details like your email, phone, if you have a company that you're starting this up for, and how many members are going to be in your company, and all of that. This is where it leads to. It asks us this one question, which helps Salesforce customize our dashboard for us, which is like, do you any of these feel like familiar challenges to you? That are your contacts and information disorganized? Are these hard to manage for you? Reporting doesn't tell me what I want to do. Details are missing during meetings, or you don't have to have follow-ups that don't seem to happen. I could click on this or this one, okay? And then I click on submit. And this is before starting up or reaching to the dashboard. This is what Salesforce does. It shows you a quick video or demo. You can choose to watch this, but we're going to go directly into the dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks like, guys. You saw there was a big bunny that helped us with its interface. So this is where it is. This is the home, and this is our contacts. These are accounts, sales, opportunities, leads, cadences, outreaching using emails, email templates, service, cases, knowledge, quick text. There's another calendar right here, dashboards, as well as reports. And onto the top hand side, this is your profile. This is your notification. Here's the settings gear. Here's like help. And this is the amount of days that's left in a free trial. We have 30 days free trial, and then you can choose to upgrade and buy now as well. So if you click on buy now, I think it opens up a list of offers that they offer. There's the starter one, which is $25 per month and $300 annually. And then there's a pro upgrade, which is $100 per month. So to sign up, you don't need any of these credit card details, but you can have a 30 days free trial where you can have an idea with how the know-hows of Salesforce is. You can have a basic idea by using it, take up a demo, and use it to your advantage. You can track your sales opportunity and manage your campaigns and marketing segmentation, also create secure online payment links. You can also manage your customer service cases and look into pre-built reports and dashboards, and also integrate your Google Mail, Gmail, or your Outlook email integration. As far as the other plan is concerned, you have the option to include everything that is in the starter pack, but also you have the amazing integration of having personalized layouts and navigation, having custom apps and objects, and having process automation and workflow automation options. You can code in your forecasting sales. You can have a testing and training environment, and also have an in-app and web messaging. Now, moving on to its other features like accounts. Let's move on to accounts and contacts both. In the accounts section here, each account that we have would represent a company or a main customer entity. So with each account, we'll be able to manage our contacts simultaneously, and the contacts are the individuals that are like associated to these specific accounts that you have. It's essential for like tracking, not just for the companies, but also for the specific people that you're going to be dealing in with. I can click on add contact and I can click on add account as well. Moving on to the other part, which is our sales. Let's move on to opportunities first. As you know, that opportunities are like the backbone of your sales process in Salesforce. This feature helps you track every single sales deal in its stages. You can move on from prospecting to closing the deal, whichever specific stage that a deal is, you can move on with that. And you also have the option to have a close date and the amount and the account name, the deal size, and the stage it is at, the opportunity, which is like the state of negotiation you're at. This is really amazing. Now, moving on to the next one, which is leads. The lead section is your starting point for potential businesses, right? Here, what you can do is you can manage initial interactions with prospects and you can have lead qualifications based on your criteria. It helps you decide whichever you want to convert these leads to opportunities, contacts, and accounts for further nurturing. So here, as you see, they have the option to turn these leads into revenue. I can just simply click on new and see how I can work with the deal specifically like that. Once I click on add new here, another here, I can add in a lead right here. If you're just checking out, you can just add the name, just checking things out, Tom Short, for example. And I can enter the salutation, Mr., Mrs., or Dr. Tom Short, the company name, and I can fill in the title, the website, the description, the lead status, if it's new, contacted, or nurturing, or qualified, or unqualified, all of that. So it's easier for me to navigate and move forward with where I am with this lead. Then the phone, email, details, contact details of the particular lead, and then you just click simply on save and new. So easy. Just simply click on new. Oh, they're requiring a name and company. Let's just cancel this. Next up, let's move on with the reports and dashboard right here. This is our reports. So Salesforce reports are like the most powerful, amazing tools that we have. You can create detailed reports for insights, and you can integrate a lot of various aspects of your business into your reports. You see, there's open cases by priority, which cases need attention by priority. You can add them into this one. The one which need attention regarding customer service, and the one that needs attention by priority, the one which need my attention, specific my open cases, and there's which cases were closed and what on what specific date. So you can categorize and manage them depending upon the date which need your specific attention. When was the case closed by the owner, what date was it, and how many cases were they all together, and do we have any articles attached to these cases? We can also add that in right here. Top account, sales performance, pipeline, opportunities that we have won, foreshadowing, and forecast, which is like how much business do we expect to win. So it's all in all everything. All sorts of different reports are right here. I can create from the new report button, new folder as well. I can choose to see them fields to display or columns to width. As of now, it's already set to fields to display that way, but I'm not going to modify that right now. Let's move on to the dashboard. This is how our dashboard looks like. Here is a recent, here's created by me, private dashboards, all sort of dashboards, including the public and private ones, the folders that you've created, all your favorite stuffs right here, folders created by you, folders shared with you specifically. And let's move on here. Here is like the dashboard provides me like a visual representation of all these reports. That makes it easier for me to comprehend and present these data. You see over the reports, it was like a written word to word information, and onto the dashboards, I can see all the visual representation of my data right here. So there's another feature of Salesforce, which is its customization and its personalization. That is one of its really key capabilities where I can personalize my layouts, add or modify fields, even have, custom workflows to reflect my business's process. So this level of customization basically ensures that Salesforce adapts to your business and not the other way around, which is really great, I'd say. Here is the revenue. Currently, we don't have anything drawn here because there's no data already added. But if I do, you can see there's like a bar or graphical notion or like a presentation of all the data we have. So another amazing thing about what do you say Salesforce is that can go on to integration. Is its amazing part about integration. And with integration, you can integrate it with your emails to streamline your communication. And that way, you can connect with different applications like marketing automation tools or external databases. That way, it expands its functionality, creating more of a cohesive business environment. So, guys, there you have it. This is the basic tutorial on Salesforce platform. Let's not forget that you can access critical data, update your records, and collaborate with your team all from your smartphone or your web browser, ensuring that you're always connected and productive no matter where you are. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps and empowers you to leverage Salesforce's full potential in your business endeavors.